All right, let's create the Carli keyring where we're stuck in building with the key. So we are signing all our packages and databases, but we need to tell them, hey, this key can be trusted, right? So everything is in place, but in this little bubble where we are building our ArcoLinux Carli ISO, we do not have any information about key. And it says, could not be locally signed. All right, how did I learn this? Guys, from Manjaro. Yes. So, keyring. GitLab, GitHub, whatever, right? Something keyring related. And here is Yarako, who makes a keyring. And you analyze, you see what he does, how to make a keyring. Now, this doesn't seem the information I'm needing, but sure. ArcoLinux maybe, something like that. You have the GNOME keyring. Maybe, might be as well a good one. So, like I said, I know where to find it, but Google around GitLab and also package build behind it, and that's not correct. So, package build, Manjaro, GitLab, GNOME keyring, package build, and another. Maybe we could use this one as an example and not use the one from Manjaro. It's all more or less the same, right? So to have a package build, it says, okay, we are building Carli keyring, package base, user, share, pacman keyrings. Yeah, we know it's there, right? A number, a version. Gonna call it Carli keyring. Cool, still okay. GitHub, okay, fine. And then we have some files here, source, skip, and then we are going to install it inside a certain file. Destination directory is this one, user share pacman keyrings. So we could use this one as an example. Never looked at it first until now, right? Keyring, a little bit bigger, because there's more, right? There's also the keyring install. We need to init, add user, etc. Then local signing key, populate. So there are options we could do. I do other options in ArcoLinux. It's still, and it's all open, and this is a file. So sure, we could use this one, or we could use the other one from GitHub, from keyring, which is Manjaro, and then use GitLab. I think we get there. Manjaro keyring. Analyze how he creates it. So Philip is going to make a package file, use make package file, and do, that's where it should go, user share pacman keyrings, and uninstall, delete that thing, and make package file looks like this, keyring, the keys, the sums. So I've based myself on this one for ArcoLinux years ago. Revoke, trusted, and of course the GPG key. So that's the big public key we've created in the other video. So Guillaume is one of them, long key, Philip is one of them, gpg.conf, and so on. Roland, all the people who develop and build packages like we've now done for ArcoLinux. 6 people have their own key and can push their own ISOs, packages online. So it's up to you. For me, this is already, I know this already, so let's take something new that I don't know yet. Let's take this one. Let's start GZ this thing. It's downloaded. Yeah, get away. Let's make a new package. We're gonna need a new, do we need a new GitHub? No, we don't need a new GitHub, but we definitely need a new package build. So Carli package build for create directory, Carli keyring, right? Carli keyring, and then we can say, let's put everything from there in there. Extract it. Whoa, what's this? Oh my God. a little bit too much, so I only need this one. Okay, by Endeavour OS, okay, X, like this. All right, it's not called Endeavour OS, it's called Carli. It's not called Endeavour OS keyring, it's gonna be called Carli. And that's how you learn and how you adapt and how you change things, right? It's easy. Carli. Keyrings version is our first version. Endeavour OS, no, Carli. Okay, nope, not that one. Carli. Sources. Nope, not that one. Skip is also good. I think we just need to, if I remember correctly, Control C. I don't even think we need a hyphen, so let's try it out. So that one. And that one. Everything gone. Nothing is online. Everything is local. There it is. So the color is not nice. I agree. If we're a little bit similar to all the rest, then it's like this. Don't need the space there. Don't need the space there. We're skipping the checksums. Like this. Move this one, Carli, GPG, to the package directory. The package directory is that one, and then the destinations directory is user share pacman keyrings. Okay, that's cool. Okay, let's see what happens. But first, I need my own keys, right? It's not the Endeavour keys, the public keys I need. I need a key from me. I created a key. So GNU PG, that's this one. Public key is this one. Control A, Control C, Hopla, and Carli GPG. Whoa, what's this? Control A, delete, Control V. Am I doing this right? Why was this so rubbish? Let me check. I'm going to user share. Where did I need to go? To user share pacman keyrings. Yep. Okay, it's okay. So this one, the rubbish one, goes. This one goes in. Save. Now we can add some more lines as we've done in our own. Let's show you that. This is our ArcoLinux GPG, right? So Carli GPG, ArcoLinux GPG. You can add these lines. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, and 5 at the end. And then for him, it's just gibberish. It won't be used. So here is Eric, and then it's Marco. All the 6 members are in here. And we end with Raniel. Okay, so basically look at code of others. Save. All right, let's try and make a build, right? Package build. Make a package. First, make a package. Signing can come later. Is this okay? What happens? I'll have a Carli keyring. It's gonna put in user share pacman a file called keyrings. A folder keyrings and a file called Carli GPG, which contains this thing. Okay. What afterwards? Afterwards, something should be done. Oh. Afterwards, this will be done. After an installation, did we do that correctly? Let's see. Let's see. Package build. Come on. This is already open. So install package base, install package base. So it's gonna take Carli keyring, install, right? If there's a wrong name here, it won't use the Carli keyring install. And it's an important thing. So it says pacman key init, add user share pacman keyrings EndeavourOS. Oh my God. Carli, right? Carli GPG, pacman key, local sign, and a key. Not that key, right? Our key. So we better open up. Is it this one? LastPass. And my key is, they use a long one. Doesn't matter really. Well, let me shut that up for a moment. Snooze for another 10 minutes. Basically, I need to go, but let's finish the video. So I take my long key, Control C, put it in here, Control Shift V, upgrades and install. Okay. And here as well, Carli. That's not needed. Some lines we can delete, some lines we can delete. This is readable like that, or we just delete it like this as well. Whatever, right? It's just aesthetics. So pick pacman key init, add user share pacman Carli GPG, local sign the key we have, and then populate. So we're not changing anything from EndeavourOS. Save. Then we can build, right? We know what's going to happen. Make package. This time I sign it. Then says Carli GPG was not found in the build directory is not a URL. Let me think. How did we need to make the write it again? What package can I do? Let me look. All right, I've been playing around with it because let's do it again. We have Carli keyring install, package builds. At this point in time, still skip, but we can change that later. The thing is, when I make a package, let's see what happens. It deletes the Carli again. You see? So I have a copy on here, Control C. For whatever reason, is moving it, is copying it. It's in here, user share, pacman, keyrings, it's in here. But why, if you make a package, would you touch this thing? Keep from it. Keep away. -F. Why? Because it's already built, the tar ZST, and sign. Okay. Okay. I thought I put that away. So I'm gonna get my key again. Control C, Control V, save. Okay. All right, that's better. So it's done, right? It's working. The only thing, the strange thing that happens is the fact that he wants to remove it, and it's going to be in here. So it's cool. Everything is okay. And this can be done, but I had to Control X this thing, Control X, and put it back in there. And that's probably why the guys of EndeavourOS put it on GitHub, right? So the source file is coming from there. Like I said, try out the Manjaro way of thinking. That works and doesn't delete it. But it's okay for now. For us, it's enough. It works, right? It's just a one-time thing. Nobody gonna need this anymore if you're the only one, right? If you're the only one making packages, don't need it. So we're gonna put this in our repo. Control V. And now we have a new file. Yeah, I know. I should go. I know. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. A reminder, right? Always jobs to do. So, keyring edit. Okay, Carli keyring, but it's not in any of our scripts. So it needs to go in the packages. So Carli 8, the packages. So again, this is the only one that's used. All the rest is up to you to decide if you want to have something else, cinnamon instead of plasma and so on. So this is definitely a Carli package, right? This is not related to calamares. So Carli, and then Carli keyring, save. So we'll build the package now. It's gonna include that. Sudo build. Okay. Let's see. Here it is. Carli keyring. Hey, 11 any. Did I do that? 11 any. I never do that. Okay. Doesn't matter. It's just a name, but don't want to have it. So Carli keyring package builds. All right. We do always x8664 or something like that. Let's have a look at something else. Arch any. Let's take a look at our repos from Arco. Arco repo testing, for example. Okay. So it says any package and so on. Here we don't have any, or we do. Okay, Carli repo looks like this. And here we don't have any in the yay. All right. So depending on that line, you get something in there, right? So, aha, look at that. So the keys are coming in. So Carli GPG, sorry, ArcoLinux GPG, and this is Carli GPG. And then local signing keys. Do we find our own key somewhere? What is our own key? I guess not. Or is this one? That's the one. That's the one. So that's our key. And you know, if you're here, you're done. I can go on my errand. So I'll let the computer finish the ISO and boot up, see everything works fine. But basically, if you're here, you know, good chance everything is gonna work. All right, stopping the video here, and I have to go now. Cheers.